Hi, my name's John Kronenwetter, and I'm with the business development team at SDI. For over 40 years, SDI has provided MRO supply chain management services, from procurement to storeroom management and everything in between, to make MRO a more strategic part of your business. Each SDI solution is designed to work in a connected, holistic system. It all starts with an SDI MRO supply chain evaluation. We sit with all stakeholders in your organization to assess the current state of MRO at your plant or across your enterprise, calculate the total cost to manage MRO, and bring to the forefront any gaps in service performance. Through this evaluation, facilitated by our solution design team, we together identify opportunities, build a strategy, and seamlessly integrate SDI into your unique operations. Based on our new learning, we're able to directly improve business performance using best-in-class MRO processes and over 200 time-tested implementation steps, broken down into manageable milestones to complete a full implementation. Next in the process is our approach to sourcing. Structured as an as-a-service platform, SDI operates quite opposite from traditional distributor models that handcuff you to a pre-established supply base. We're a service business, not a distributor paid on supplying more and more parts to drive profitability and corporate rebates. With SDI, there's no markup or other hidden costs in the services we provide, or the cost of the products we purchase on your behalf. So let's talk purchasing. SDI's centralized team of purchasing professionals is continually leveraging our enterprise-wide MRO buying power in the marketplace. Better pricing for us means better pricing for you. And a key benefit of an SDI partnership is our strong relationships with suppliers. Managing back-office operations can be a daunting task in the MRO world. To simplify, we've centralized all transactional processing right here in our office in Bristol, Pennsylvania. We gain incredible leverage and scale with this centralized shared services strategy. We have standard operating procedures that streamline all transactional processing to eliminate errors and waste. And by being centralized, we gain greater visibility and control over the process and are set up to routinely drive continuous improvement projects. SDI simplifies your world. You no longer have to manage hundreds, if not thousands, of monthly invoices to support your MRO supply base. Engineering services are yet another way that SDI stands apart. Your engineering team is focused on R&D, development of new work systems, process improvement, new equipment specification and design. Their job is to turn raw materials into a finished product in the most efficient way possible. So it's rare to find an internal engineer focused on MRO. SDI offers one of our industry's largest teams of certified degreed engineers focused solely on MRO. What sets them apart is their unbiased supplier-neutral approach to ensuring process efficiencies, recommending continuous improvement initiatives, and pinpointing issues that directly impact supply chain productivity. We put more boots on the ground at your plant, working on more savings projects than anyone could attempt on their own. We implement vendor-managed inventory programs, consignment, buybacks, product standardization programs, distributor stock programs. This, of course, drives more savings to your bottom line year over year. This is the part where we talk parts. SDI Storeroom Operations help maximize your facility's equipment uptime by making sure you have the right part at the right time at the right price. All storeroom items are barcoded and then cycle counted on a regular basis. Each storeroom also goes through a 5S process to establish standard operating procedures for exceptional accuracy rates. It all starts the moment you log into SDI Exchange as you look for parts or materials. SDI Exchange lets you search for the exact stock items you need, use the punch-out catalog to your strategic suppliers, or make a non-stock requisition. Once your order is received into the storeroom, it sets a series of actions in motion where it's picked, packed, kitted, and staged, and then we notify you that it's ready for pickup, or we'll deliver it. We also align this process with your planners to optimize the work order process to keep wrenches turning in your plant. To keep this system running as efficiently as possible, SDI has a patented best-in-class process that we follow. This includes weekly reviews of frontline key performance indicators, or KPIs. We track every part that comes into the storeroom, every part stored on the shelf, and every part that leaves the storeroom to ensure you're never without critical parts. We've touched on SDI Exchange, the hub for all transactional activity and management services, a few times as we've toured the Solution Center. But there's more to it than that. SDI has made a substantial investment in technology, specifically designed for MRO, that makes finding and managing parts quicker and easier. This technology is personalized by user, and all reports are able to sort, filter, and export to Excel. While SDI Exchange might be our flagship technology, supporting SDI Exchange is a hard-working suite of proprietary solutions, like SDI Connect, our cloud-based connection to your ERP system with no customizations needed. SDI Storeroom, with mobile barcode scanners that feed directly into our inventory management system. Here we receive incoming parts, cycle count, and issue individual parts or kits to support your work order process. SDI Track is our warranty tracking and repair system that gives you an ongoing view of all activity. No more wasting money on parts that have failed during their warranty period, or spending money on new parts when they can be repaired in a cost-effective manner. SDI Track can also be accessed by the repair service providers to update parts replaced or the cause of failure for more proactive maintenance practices. SDIMS is our demand-driven forecasting technology, raising the bar over traditional min-max stocking strategies for improved inventory management and reduced working capital, all managed in SDI Exchange. SDI Vending. There's a variety of industrial vending solutions to support point-of-use or remote storerooms, like this IntelliPort, an RFID vending solution to secure satellite storerooms or other areas where material needs to remain secure. Simply swipe your badge or key in your employee ID, select the parts from the shelf, and check out. All parts are accounted for, and the data is passed to SDI Exchange. And SDI Mobile, a smartphone app that acts as a virtual vending solution where you can access all the features of SDI Exchange. Let's say your maintenance technician is at the very far end of your facility and observes a failing motor. With a few clicks on their mobile device, they can check stock, determine its location, order it, and our SDI personnel will either deliver it to the location or have it ready for pickup. It's just that simple. With the entire SDI MRO platform working together, the result is a complex MRO process made simple and accessible. Come see for yourself how the supply chain works best when it all works together. Visit SDI.com or email info@sdi.com to schedule an appointment today.